ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା 51 ଲାଇନର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ପଲିଟିରୁ ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ। ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଯାଏଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ। India's constitution is the text written constitution in the world. Shortest, oldest, longest or newest. Correct answer ହେଇଯିବ ତମର longest। ତ Indian constitution ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ଆମର longest constitution in the world ରହିଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍। The Indian Constitution was adopted on କେବେ adopt କରାଯାଇଥିଲା? 26 ଜାନୁଆରୀ 1950, 15 ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 1947, 26 ନଭେମ୍ବର 1949 और 26 जनवरी 1949। राइट आंसर है तुम्हारा 26 नवंबर 1949। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन केबे लागू होइतिला? 26 जनवरी 1950, 26 नवंबर 1949, 15 अगस्त 1947 और 2 अक्टूबर 1950। राइट आंसर है तुम्हारा 26 जनवरी 1950। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हिच पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिक्लेयर इंडिया ए सोवेरियन सोशलिस्ट secular democratic republic? Fundamental rights, preamble, DPSP or schedules? Correct answer is तुम्हारा ऑप्शन बी preamble। preamble रे ये सब मेंशन अछि। India follows which system of government? Presidential, parliamentary, dictatorial, monarchical? Correct answer is parliamentary। Next question। India is described as a unitary state, confederations, federal state with unitary features or monarchy? Right answer is federal state with unitary features। India has dual citizenship, state citizenship, single citizenship or commonwealth citizenship? Correct answer is single citizenship। The concept of a written constitution was borrowed from UK, USA, Canada or Australia? Right answer is USA। Directive principle of state policy are borrowed from Russia, France, Ireland or Germany? Correct answer is Ireland। Which article empowers Parliament to amend the Constitution? 352, 376, 368 or 324? The right answer is 368। The constitutions provide for tax of power, concentrations, delegations, separation or division? The right answer is separation। India is a tax state without any state religion. Democratic, socialist, secular or republic? India is a secular। The basic structure doctrine was propounded in Golaknath case, Minerva Mills case, Keshavananda Bharati case or Beruvari case? The right answer is Keshavananda Bharati case। The next question. The constitutions provide for an independent legislature, executive, judiciary or election commission? The right answer is judiciary। Which schedules contain the union, state and concurrent list? 5th, 6th, 7th or 9th? 7th schedules। Right answer। The term republic means hereditary ruler, elected head of state, military ruler or religious ruler? The right answer is elected head of the state। The Indian constitution is only rigid, only flexible, partially rigid and partially flexible or neither? The right answer is partially rigid and partially flexible। Who is known as the architect of the Indian Constitution? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, B.R. Ambedkar or Sardar Patel? The right answer is B.R. Ambedkar। India has a tax judiciary, dual, separate, integrated or federal? The right answer is integrated। Emergency provisions are borrowed from USA, Canada, Germany or France? The right answer is Germany, Weimar constitutions। India is a direct democracy, representative democracy, dictatorship or monarchy? India has representative democracy। The constitution was originally written in English only, Hindi only, English and Hindi, Sanskrit and Hindi? The right answer is English and Hindi। Originally, the constitution contained 350 articles, 395 articles, 448 articles or 500 articles? The right answer is 395 articles। Which article is called the heart and soul of the constitution? Article 14, 19, 21 or 32? Next, 25 number question। Fundamental rights are contained in Part II, Part III, Part IV or Part IVA? The correct answer is Part III। Next question. How many fundamental rights are currently available? 5, 6, 7 or 8? The right answer is option B, 6। Right to property was removed by 42 Second Amendment, 44th Amendment, 52 Second Amendment or 61 First Amendment? The right answer is 44th Amendment। Next question. Article 14 provides liberty, equality before law, education, or religion. The right answer is equality before law. Which article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth? The Article 14, Article 15, Article 16, or Article 17. The right answer is Article 15. Next question. Freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under Article 18, Article 19, 1 or A, Article 21, Article 20. The right answer is Article 1, Article 19A. Right to education is under Article 19, Article 20, Article 21A, or Article 20. So the right answer is Article 21A. Protection in respect of conviction for offence is provided under Article 19, 20, 21, or 22. The right answer is Article 20. Article 21 deals with equality, religion, life and personal liberty, and the property. The correct answer is life and personal liberty. Next question. Question 32. Protection in respect of conviction for offence is provided under Article 19, Article 20, 21, or 22. The correct answer is Article 20. Next question. Article 21 deals with equality, religion, life and personal liberty, property. The right answer is option C, life and personal liberty. Next question. Protection against arrest and detention is under Article 20, 21, 22, or 23. The right answer is Article 22. Next question. Cultural and educational rights are covered under Article 25 to 28, Article 29 to 30, Article 32 to 35, and Article 14 to 18. The correct answer is Article 29 to 30. Next question. Right to constitutional remedies is provided by Article 30, 31, 32, or 33. The right answer is Article 32. Writs can be issued under Article 14 and 15, Article 19 and 21, Article 32 or 226, 226, or Article 368 and 370. The right answer is Article 32 and 226. Untouchability is abolished under Article 15, 16, 17, or 18. The correct answer is Article 17. Next question. Article 16 guarantees equality in religion, public employment, education, or property. The right answer is public employment. Right to form association is guaranteed under Article 19(1)(c), Article 20, Article 21, Article 22. The correct answer is Article 19(1)(c). Freedom of religion is covered under Article 14 to 18, Article 19 to 22, 25 to 28, or 29 to 30. The right answer is Article 25 to 28. Minority interest in culture matter are protected by Article 28, 29, 30, or 32. The right answer is Article 29. Right against exploitations includes Article 21 and 22, 23 and 24, 25 and 26, or 29 and 30. The right answer is 23 and 24. Right to education was added by 42nd Second Amendment, 44th Amendment, 73rd Amendment, or 86th Amendment. The right answer is 86th Amendment. Which article allows suspension of certain fundamental rights during emergency? 352, Article 356, Article 359, or Article 360. The correct answer is Article 359. Next question. Fundamental duties are mentioned in Part 3, Part 4, Part 4A, or Part 5. The right answer is Part 4A. Fundamental duties are contained in Article 50, Article 51, Article 51A, or 52. The right answer is Article 51A. How many fundamental duties are there at present? 10, 11, 12, or 13? The right answer is 11. Fundamental duties were added by 44th Amendment, 52nd Second Amendment, 42 Amendment, or 86th Amendment. Fundamental duties are added by 42nd Second Amendment. And the last question is, which committee recommended the inclusion of fundamental duties? If you know the answer, then comment below. And if you like the videos, then hit a like button, then subscribe for more such video.